Medicines can heal, but without regulation, they can also harm. India's strict drug laws exist to protect public health and ensure every medicine is safe, effective, and high quality. Without these laws, there's no guarantee that drugs contain the right ingredients or are free from contamination. Unregulated drugs can lead to ineffective treatments, dangerous side effects, or even death. The Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940 and its rules of 1945 are the backbone of India's drug regulation, preventing substandard and counterfeit medicines. These laws oversee every stage development, clinical trials, manufacturing, labeling, distribution, and sale. They create accountability across the entire supply chain, from manufacturers to pharmacists. If something goes wrong, the system can trace and correct the problem. Thanks to these regulations, patients can trust that medicines from licensed pharmacies have passed rigorous checks. This legal framework is essential for a safe, modern healthcare system. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, or CDSCO, is India's top drug regulator. It approves new drugs, sets quality standards, and coordinates with state agencies to enforce the law. The Drugs Technical Advisory Board, or DTAB, is a panel of experts advising on technical and scientific matters, keeping regulations up to date. The Drugs Consultative Committee, or DCC, ensures drug laws are applied uniformly across all states. Together, CDSCO, DTAB, and DCC form the backbone of India's drug regulatory system. CDSCO enforces, DTAB advises, and DCC harmonizes efforts nationwide. This collaboration ensures safe, effective medicines reach every corner of the country. Their combined oversight is vital for public health. The Central Drugs Laboratory in Kolkata is India's national lab for testing drugs and cosmetics. It acts as the final authority in quality disputes, using advanced techniques to detect substandard or counterfeit medicines. All manufacturers must follow Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP, covering everything from raw materials to staff hygiene. Only licensed, qualified manufacturers can produce medicines, and contract manufacturing is tightly regulated. State authorities license and inspect factories, while CDSCO sets national standards. Drug inspectors from both levels can test samples and take action against violators. This dual oversight ensures every batch of medicine is safe and effective. Strict standards and regular inspections keep India's pharmaceutical industry accountable. Drug regulation covers the entire supply chain, starting with imports. All imported drugs must be registered with CDSCO and pass quality checks at entry points. Retail and wholesale pharmacies need licenses and must meet strict requirements for storage and staffing. Only qualified pharmacists can dispense prescription drugs, ensuring safe use. Good distribution practices protect medicines from damage during storage and transport. Online pharmacies must follow the same rules, verifying prescriptions and sourcing from licensed suppliers. These laws ensure medicines remain safe and effective from factory to pharmacy shelf. Every step is regulated to protect patients. India uses digital tools to make drug regulation faster and more transparent. The SUGAM portal streamlines approvals and tracks applications online. Strict labeling rules require clear information on every medicine package. QR codes on certain drugs let anyone verify authenticity with a smartphone, fighting counterfeits. Drug schedules and labeling help ensure safe use by patients and professionals. These digital systems boost efficiency and security in the pharmaceutical supply chain. Technology is making India's drug laws smarter and more effective. Breaking drug laws in India brings serious penalties, including heavy fines and long prison terms. Drug inspectors have the power to inspect, test, and seize medicines, ensuring compliance at every level. This strict enforcement deters illegal activity and keeps the system honest. The ultimate goal is public trust. Patients should never doubt the safety of their medicines. India's comprehensive drug laws, modern tools, and tough penalties work together to protect every citizen. By controlling every stage, the law ensures only safe, effective medicines reach the public. Trust in medicine is built on strong regulation, and that's what India delivers.